Okay, you guys, super excited. It is a drizzly, cold, rainy day here in Germany, but we are going to a Christmas market. Munchen Bazar, which is an outdoor Christmassy market. So yeah, super excited. Let's go.
Let's go, let's be free.
Oh, Gluhwein, that way. You guys, the party has started. We are here with our Gluhwein. We have a red and a white. We haven't tasted them yet. They smell good. And I think this is the red because it's fuller. And we got a little Amaretto on top. So, let's go. Yep, it has the Amaretto. It's very strong. Delicious though. And this is the white one. It's a little more relaxing. They're delicious and warm. It's freezing cold. I have lots of shirts and jackets, but it's still cold out here, so makes it perfect for winter. All right, let's see what else we can find.
So we're at this bazaar here in Munich. It's a beautiful 4:30 p.m. on a Friday afternoon. After we got the Gluhwein, we decided to come over here and get a sausage. But for what I hear, these guys are the worst. I, for one, love bratwurst. They put some sauerkraut underneath it, but they put some horseradish on top of it, right over my mustard. This is going to be delicious. Take a look at that. Oh yeah. All right, let's see how much this tastes like.
So
Why
good?
is this so good? It's nice and delicious. Oh, I gotta take another bite. It's seasoned very well. And then the horseradish and the sauerkraut with the mushroom provides 3 different types of salt to it. The bread is nice and crisp, but it doesn't get in the way. Absolutely delicious bratwurst. We don't like to get too much. We just want to taste things and move on. There's too much here to eat and then fill you up. I'm gonna tell you, Lane can't wait to have some of this bratwurst. It is absolutely delectable.
Yum. If you guys know, sorry, I still have this amazing bratwurst everywhere. If you know why these shoes are holding up the tents, like, or they're part of the I don't know, the whole, not display, but anyway, let us know, because we're very confused. Why are the shoes at the end of each pole?
Elaine has just seen
Tantanmen in the tent. We're gonna need more money.
How much is it?
$12.90. We're doing one.
Yeah, we're only doing one.
Huh?
We're only doing one.
No, we're doing one, I think.
That wasn't a question.
I see the chili.
Do you want spicy?
legit. It's got lots of chili oil. So good. Too many noodles.
Okay, everyone. Because I love my wife so much, I'm not going to let you see her eating tantanmen. So it looks like it's delicious.
10 seconds later.
Cannot see us at all.
Turn us around.
All right, guys, that is it from us here in Munich for the first week we were here. What did you think?
I thought it was great. Pleasantly surprised in many ways. Loved the different flavors of beers. Loved the snow that we had. It's snowing in Germany. Makes me happy. Love the Christmas market. Sounds like a storm lightning right now. And the people are very nice and it was super clean. And the trains are organized and clean. A lot of greats.
The people are nice. The sausages were better. Sauerkraut was something delectable. Chef's kiss. But thank you guys for joining us. If you're new around here, I'm Steven.
And I'm Elaine.
All right. Wishing you the best sauerkraut.
And enticing foods on your adventures. Bye.
See ya.
You guys, we're leaving the market and we're caught in a winter storm. I can barely open my eyes because it is sleeting rain. It looks like snow. If you look out at the road, it looks like snow, but it's little hard ice pellets. Freezing cold.
Turn around. You turn around. Not fast. Yeah.
It's crazy. And there's lightning. Thunder and lightning in a snowstorm. We've never ever seen that before. Thanks for the first, Munich.
It is November 24th, day after Thanksgiving, 2023.
And we're freezing.
Oh, finally, the WURST. Oh, look at this.